Welcome back to our channel name. In this video, we'll explore the basics of the share market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner looking to get started, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. What is the stock market? The stock market is a platform where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly listed companies. These shares represent ownership in the company and give shareholders a stake in its profits and assets. Segment 2. Why invest in stocks? Investing in stocks provides the potential for high returns, especially over the long term. It allows you to participate in the success of well-established companies and emerging startups. However, remember that along with potential rewards, there are also risks involved due to stock price volatility. Segment 3. Understanding stock exchanges. Stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and Nasdaq are where stocks are bought and sold. These exchanges set rules and regulations to ensure transparent trading. Segment 4. How to buy stocks. To buy stocks, you'll need a brokerage account, which acts as your gateway to the stock market. Online brokers offer easy account setup, allowing you to place buy orders for the shares of companies you're interested in. Segment 5. Different types of stocks. Not all stocks are the same. There are common stocks that offer voting rights and potential dividends, and preferred stocks that guarantee fixed dividends but may not provide voting rights. Some companies issue different classes of shares with varying rights and privileges. Segment 6. Stock market indices. Stock market indices like the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average represent a basket of stocks tracking market or sector performance. They serve as barometers for market health and portfolio performance. Segment 7. Risks and strategies. The stock market involves risks, such as fluctuating stock prices influenced by economic conditions, company performance, and market sentiment. Diversification, long-term investing, and thorough research are strategies to mitigate risks. Segment 8. Market analysis tools. Market analysis tools like fundamental analysis and technical analysis help in making informed decisions. Fundamental analysis assesses a company's financial health and growth potential, while technical analysis studies stock price trends and patterns to predict future movements. Segment 9. The emotional aspect. Emotions can play a significant role in investing. Fear and greed may lead to irrational decisions. Staying disciplined, adhering to your investment plan, and avoiding impulsive moves based on short-term market fluctuations are essential. Conclusion. That wraps up our crash course on the basics of the share market. Remember, investing in stocks requires patience, knowledge, and a long-term perspective. Educate yourself further before diving in, and consider consulting with a financial advisor if needed. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and happy investing. Outro. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with the stock market, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, take care, and have a fantastic day.